with the yarn that you prefer and the correct hook. I want to show you how to make this hand with very thin fingers. This is the hand that I want to teach you how to make. On my case, I will use Symphonia brand yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn. It's about 3 millimeters and has like 6 threads. And I will use 2.5 millimeters hook with this yarn. But remember, you can use the material you prefer for your amigurumi project. Then, let's start! First, we need make the hand and later we will make the fingers. Then we will start on round 1 with a magic ring and 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After 8 single crochet, you can close the magic ring. You need to put some mark just if you think that is necessary. I don't want to put the mark because this is just something piece just for show you. And then from round 2 to 6, working in a spiral, I will make 8 single crochet in each round. Depend on your design. If you want to make the hand with, I don't know, like 18 rounds, okay. This is a piece just for show you how to make the finger, okay? And also you can adapt this finger on the hand bigger than this one, okay? Then, for start the finger, the most important thing is to start between round 2 and 3 on one side. We will work on one side. You need make this first. Then 1, 2, and 3. Between round 2 and 3, insert the hook taking this stitch. It's easy. And then take the loop. Don't worry about the thread, you can secure and hide later. Then, for the first finger, this one, you can start with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. After that, starting in the second chain, but working in the back loop, in the loop that you have in the back, this one, every time you will work on this loop because it's better. 2 slip stitch, 1, and the second one in the last chain that you have, taking the back loops only. After that, skip the round 2, skip the second round, and insert the hook in wherever point that you can. And make 1 slip stitch. Between each finger, you need make 1 slip stitch. Then we already have this finger. The next 4 fingers, we will make exactly the same pattern. I know the small finger is a little different, but I prefer make the rest of 4 fingers with exactly the same pattern. Then, for each finger, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and starting in the second one, we will make 3 slip stitch. It's similar than the first finger, but this time you start with 4 chains and later you need make 3 slip stitch. Then skip 1 point and taking all the first round, or taking all the first round, 1 slip stitch. And that's it. We will repeat exactly the same 3 times more for 3 more fingers. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting in the second one, 3 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 point length and insert the hook, taking all around. 1 slip stitch. Again, 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting in the second chain, 1 slip stitch, 2, and 3. Yeah, the loop is like that, but don't worry about that. Then 1 slip stitch, and the last finger, 4 chains again. For the last finger, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 slip stitch, starting in the second chain, 1, 2, and 3. And between round 2 and 3 again, 1 slip stitch on this side. And that's it. After that, you can cut the yarn, leave enough yarn just for hide it, secure and hide it. And it's what I will show you now. How to secure the threads from the beginning and at the end and hide it. And this is the result. I really like take the back loop because this is the result. You will have chains on the front and in the back on each side. This is the back of this hand, but you can make both hands with exactly the same pattern for the finger. And later just move the hand. Will be a little different, but you don't need to worry about that. I will explain you that better maybe at the end. Then just secure and hide it like this. Remember, exactly the same pattern for both hands. And when you finish, you can accommodate the finger. Just move and that's it. And this will be the result. Remember, you can adapt these fingers with whatever size of the hand. Okay, depend of your amigurumi project. Then I hope you like this tutorial, and if you use this pattern, this little design on your amigurumi, let me know on Instagram, Facebook. I'm really want to see your result. Then if you like this video, leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. See you in the next amigurumi. Bye bye.